Our losses are one of the lowest in the country. Mumbai, everything is underground over there. Odisha, it was a loss making, now it has become a profit making. So all the 4 DISCOM, and Odisha is the only state where there is zero subsidy. No subsidy to farmer, no subsidy to below poverty line. So government does not give 1 rupee subsidy, and it is being given to them by way of very low tax.
Odisha, I've heard. Our state is a little bit more different. So we'll have to figure out the right model. Because we have our commitments to farmers and certain communities, so we'll have to build it up. This is Suzlon, sir.
A little bit about Suzlon. I think you know everything, so...
I know about you, sir, don't worry.
Yes, sir. So I'll not waste your time.
The only thing is speed.
Yeah, so that's what...
I know 5 years. 5 years you took break. You took a holiday from Andhra.
You gave us break.
No, but अब जल्दी जाना है. अब जल्दी करना है.
Yes, sir.
अनंतपुर है ना आपका?
Yes, sir. This one we are doing it in Anantapur.
So we are around 18 months.
Yes.
And we have to invite him for
No.
Completion.
No. What sir said is solar is easy, wind is difficult.
Yeah.
I thought it is the other way around. You should move faster, sir.
we have to deliver this time. We have
solar
to deliver.
करना, wind करना.
We have to
We'll make it
deliver this
happen.
time.
Come.
Need wind and solar kada na? Need wind. Come.
హైబ్రిడ్లోనే పెట్టండి నా దగ్గర కూడా
చెప్పు. Nice.
వింటూ
Yeah, come. Come wide. Thank you. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీది 2 చేయమన్నా. షవల్ కూడా ఉందా? నానా సింబాలిక్ షవల్ संभाल के सर. Thank you. Oh, it's quite deep. You have to message us to go to the industry that Andhra is also now ready to do business in energy.
Yes, sir.
Because I think we have so much challenge. Hey.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is our Andhra footprint. We have 1600 megawatts installed capacity. So far we have made close to 10,000 crores of investments in the state. 2,700 megawatt wind energy projects under development. Contributes 36% to AP's installed wind energy. And we employ 12,000 people across, we want to train 12,000 people across over 20 projects. So we are very happy to be here and want to keep growing with your
Speed.
Yeah, absolutely.
You'll see that this time.
Yes, sir. There's a second step also. Come. Kalvana? No. Sham, good. Welcome.
Yes, so I think
This we know.
I think you are aware that, slowly this our Anantapur plant is becoming not just serving Anantapur but the whole of South. So capacity has grown now to almost
1,200 people working?
Here total we have now strength of about 1,200.
1,200 people working.
1,200, yes, sir. And effectively now we are also going into combination of wind solar storage as a combination. working
battery.
very closely with sir also and
With
battery.
BESS.
Yes. Yeah, so I think we've done this. So now next round probably we'll bring here on that ground. So I think, of course, AP has been our flagship kind of growth, and we hope to kind of grow it to new heights and align to the vision that you just shared today.
Thank you.
Mansulan Reddy. This guy works for Tata.
Oh, good.
పక్కన ఊరే సార్
Akura. Good.
మెయిన్ ఆఫీస్ లోనే పనిచేస్తాం.
Oh, nice. Good, 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 good. స్పీడ్ పెంచండి కొంచెం. ఆంధ్ర స్పీడ్కి రండి కొంచెం. కమ్ సార్.
Watch out, watch out.
Because 2019 and 24 were not kind years for Andhra.
Yes.
So we had to literally take a flip and push. 2 साल लगा है हमारे को काम करने में. नमस्ते. Thank you. Thank you, sir. आप आइए.